Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to bold a text in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. Go to the workspace in which you want to bold your text, then navigate to your channel or the chat box in which you want to bold your text. Then you can select the text that you like to bold, then click to this B button on the top or just press Ctrl B from your keyboard. Then your text will be bold. This is how you can bold your text in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.